Let me share this resveratrol supplement I've been using. This bottle comes with 120 capsules and you take 2 capsules per day, so it lasts about 2 months. The capsules are easy to swallow and I haven't had any stomach issues. I like this one because it's focused on longevity and daily wellness. It uses Trans-Resveratrol and also includes antioxidants like Acai, Grape Seed and green tea, so it supports overall cellular and heart health as part of a daily routine. The ingredients are clean, which is important to me. It's non-GMO, vegan, gluten-free, soy-free and dairy-free. It's also made in the USA in a GMP certified facility, so the quality feels reliable. I keep this as part of my everyday supplement routine because it's simple, high potency and easy to stay consistent with. If you are looking for a clean resveratrol supplement to support healthy aging and overall wellness, this is a good option to check out.